right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do.
Hey y'all, it's your girl, that's your girl Chico, and I'm back again with another video. How are you guys doing? I hope all is well. Me, I'm doing pretty good, even though nobody asked. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. That's one of the things I said in my last video that I was going to be doing. Well, I didn't tell you guys what I was going to be doing, but that's one of the things. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I did get a new phone. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit me up in my comment section down below, and leave your girl video suggestions as long as they're appropriate. If for whatever reason my comment section is not on, then go ahead and hit me up on either one of my social medias that would be linked in the description box. And go ahead and leave your suggestions there. Your girl would truly, truly, truly appreciate it. And then the second video I was talking about, if everything goes to plan, that will be out the 1st or 2nd week of April. So let's keep our fingers crossed. So yeah, I went ahead and bought the LG Stylo 6. If you guys want to read that, go ahead and feel free to pause the screen. Now, y'all know I have an 11 Pro Max, and I know some of you are thinking, like, why did you buy that phone? That's such a downgrade. I mean, I love Apple. I do. I love iPhones, but sometimes I feel like iPhones can be very annoying. But they do have things that other phones don't, which in my case is a plus. It's like a point for Apple. But I've always liked Android too. My first phone was an Android. So, but I'm still going to keep my iPhone. It's going to be used as a backup. So if for whatever reason this phone breaks or something happens or just stop working, I have a phone to fall back on. But it was something about this phone that just made me want it. You know, I just had to have it. I don't know what it was, but I just wanted it. All right, y'all. So, oops, I didn't turn it on. Oh my God. Ah! I am such a fucking klutz. All right, y'all. So, this is what the front looks like. And this is what the back looks like. It's a nice blue color. It's like a holographic blue, which is why I love it. The camera, it's got the fingerprint scanner. This is a 6.8 display, which is really big. That's one of the reasons why I love it as well. And then I have my SIM card that I will be putting in at the once I'm done with the video. If I haven't said it already, I'm not going to be activating the phone or none of that on, the video. I'm going to wait till my boyfriend gets home and we're going to do that off camera. So here goes a quick start guide, LG Stylo 6. Also, here goes a SIM ejector tool that I'm going to need, trust me, because I got one around here somewhere, but I don't know where it went. I'm always losing stuff. And then we have a charging cord for the phone. And then we have the brick. This is also fast charging as well, if we want to focus. Okay, so that's everything in the box. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I accidentally turned it on. Okay, so. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the box. And then also, I got 2 cases. I really love this case. You guys can see like the little hearts, and then it does have like the little kickstand thing. And then I got this case. This is more like a heavy duty case. So like it gives me ultimate protection. So if I also drop my phone will not get messed up. This is going to protect it. And it also has, it came with like either 2 or 3 screen protectors. I don't know how to put them on good, but if I mess the first one up, I do have a second one that I can fall back on. So I might go to the, Cricut store or whatever and let them put it on for me. All right, guys. So that's going to be the end of the video. You guys know, I don't need to tell you. If you know, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Don't forget to turn your notifications on so you guys don't miss another video. With that being said, this your girl, that girl Chico. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye!